back to my more important analysis videos on Thursday, 15th of March with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at euro dollar, which interestingly has sort of rolled over again. We saw that jawboning of Mario Draghi yesterday. So you got a negative candle yesterday and a negative candle, interestingly, on the ECB day. He still is impacting on the market, and the dollar has sort of shown signs of weakening again, although it's broadly consolidating today. But it's interesting. It's on increasing number of these charts that I'm looking at, we're getting these sort of triangles forming. These sort of descending, sort of these symmetrical triangles of descending trend line on the way down, but equally higher lows. So the market is sort of coming towards the apex of that. So you're likely to see a break at some stage. But look at the momentum indicators, basically flat across MACD lines and RSI around their neutral points, although very slightly above neutral points, which suggests you're sort of slightly positively configured, which you generally are, I think, because you're sort of still trading above all the moving averages, above the uptrends, and yeah, it's looking fairly positive, I think, positive on a longer term basis, but it's sort of consolidating now within this range, and as I said, the ever tightening convergence of these trend lines suggests that there is a consolidation on euro dollar and lack of direction. So you're waiting for the next catalyst, and you got yesterday's high at 24.12, so that is another lower high below 24.45, but you've also got a succession of higher lows as well. So 22.70 is that key low from last week, so break below that and you're sort of back towards the bottom of this range, and it is a range of 400 pips, 21.55 to 25.55. So we are still waiting for a catalyst, I think, on euro dollar. You can see that 23.60 has been old resistance and became support, basis of support. So it's a bit of a pivot line, isn't it, between sort of 23.45 and 23.60. Interestingly, the 23.45 sort of coinciding with, again, several other old highs, was yesterday's low. So again, and that basically is where that uptrend comes in today. So yeah, this sort of market is consolidating around this pivot level. You've got the momentum indicators, RSI back around that 40 level, which is around where the bulls have been sort of coming back in, sort of fluctuating on the MACD lines. This is a market on a knife edge, waiting for the next catalyst. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.